What if I told you that you could have the most powerful AI in the world right inside your WhatsApp? No, I'm not kidding. Forget downloading extra apps. Forget complicated setups. I'm talking about having your own personal genius, a creative partner, and a super smart assistant available 24/7, just a WhatsApp message away. You're about to unlock a secret feature that will completely change the way you use your favorite messaging app. Stick with me because your WhatsApp is about to get a major upgrade. All right, let's dive right in. The magic behind this is a service called Genie AI. Think of it as a bridge that connects the incredible power of ChatGPT directly to your WhatsApp. So, how do you get this wizard on your phone? It's ridiculously simple. First, you'll need to save Genie's number to your contacts. Just open your phone's contact list, create a new contact, maybe name it Genie AI or WhatsApp Genius, whatever you like, and save their official number. You can find this number easily on their website. Once you have the number saved, open WhatsApp, find your new Genie AI contact, and send a simple message like hi or hello, and just like that, you've activated it. You'll get an instant reply, and from that moment on, you have ChatGPT at your fingertips. No signups, no passwords, no apps to install. It's that easy. You're now ready to chat with one of the most advanced AIs ever created, directly within your most used app. So now that you have this superpower, what can you actually do with it? The possibilities are literally endless. Let's start with something practical. Imagine you need to write a professional email to your boss asking for a day off. Instead of staring at a blank screen, just ask Genie. Type something like, write a polite email to my manager, Mr. Smith, requesting a leave of absence for next Friday for a personal appointment. In seconds, you'll get a perfectly drafted professional email ready to copy and paste. It's like having a personal secretary in your pocket. But it's not just for work. Are you planning a trip? Let's say you're going to Paris for 3 days. You could spend hours Googling, or you could just ask Genie. Create a 3-day itinerary for a first-time visitor to Paris, focusing on art, food, and historical sites. Boom! You get a detailed plan with museum suggestions, restaurant ideas, and even the best times to visit to avoid crowds. It can help you plan your budget, suggest packing lists, and even teach you a few basic French phrases. Let's get even more creative. Are you a student struggling with homework? Genie can be your ultimate study buddy. Let's say you're stuck on a math problem. Just send a message like, explain the Pythagorean theorem like I'm 10 years old and give me a simple example. Not only will you get the answer, but you'll get an explanation that actually makes sense. It can help you brainstorm ideas for essays, summarize long articles, and even practice for a test by quizzing you on different topics. This isn't about cheating. It's about having a patient tutor available anytime you need it. Now for the fun stuff. Are you trying to come up with a caption for your latest Instagram post? Just describe the photo to Genie and ask for some creative caption ideas. Give me 5 witty captions for a photo of my cat sleeping in a funny position. You'll get a list of hilarious options that are way better than my sleepy cat. You can also use it to generate jokes, write poems for a loved one's birthday, or even create a bedtime story for your kids. Just give it a prompt, like, tell me a story about a brave little squirrel who wants to fly to the moon, and watch the magic happen. One of my favorite uses is in the kitchen. How many times have you stared into your fridge, seen a random assortment of ingredients, and had no idea what to make? Just list what you have to Genie. I have chicken breasts, tomatoes, onions, and some spinach. What can I make for dinner? Give me a simple recipe. Within moments, you'll have a step-by-step recipe for a delicious meal, saving you from another boring takeout night. It's a game changer for reducing food waste and making your weeknight dinners more exciting. Okay, let's talk about some of the more advanced features. This isn't just about text. You can even send it an audio message. If you don't feel like typing, just record your question and send it. Genie will transcribe your audio and give you a written response. This is perfect for when you're driving, walking, or just have your hands full. It makes interacting with the AI even more seamless and natural, just like talking to a friend. Another powerful feature is its ability to generate images. Yes, you heard that right. You can create AI-generated art directly in WhatsApp. Just type "imagine" followed by a description of the image you want to create. For example, imagine a photorealistic image of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars. In about a minute, Ginny will send you a unique, high-quality image based on your prompt. This is incredibly fun to play with and can be used for everything from creating custom phone wallpapers to designing a logo for your side hustle. The creative power you now hold is truly astounding. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it free? Most of these services, including Ginny, offer a free trial that gives you a certain number of messages per month. This is usually more than enough for casual use. If you find yourself using it constantly and becoming a power user, like me, they offer very affordable subscription plans that give you unlimited access and even faster responses. Honestly, for the amount of value it provides, saving you time, boosting your creativity, and making your life easier, it's one of the best investments you can make. Let's recap what we've learned. You can get ChatGPT on your WhatsApp by simply saving a contact number and sending a message. You can use it to draft emails, plan trips, help with homework, write social media captions, generate recipes, create stories, and even generate incredible AI images. You can interact with it using text or voice messages. It's like having a universal tool for almost any task, right where you spend most of your time chatting anyway. This is the future of personal assistance, and you're getting in on it right now. The convenience is unmatched. Think about it. No more switching between apps. You're in a group chat planning a party and someone asks for ideas. You can just ask Ginny right there and then share the results. It's seamless integration into your daily life. I encourage you to try it out for yourself. Save the number, send that first, hi, and just play with it. Ask it silly questions, ask it serious questions, explore its capabilities. You will be blown away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has opened your eyes to a whole new world of possibilities with WhatsApp. If you found this helpful and exciting, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks that will blow your mind. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to ask Ginny? Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.